Around 267 kids are born every minute in the world, and there are many people who go on YouTube and find the best names for their kids. And those who have the names in their mind, they will just try to find the meaning of names. Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sara, and I'm going to show you today how you can earn money with names meaning videos on YouTube. It's easy and quick. You don't need loads of time to make videos of names meanings, and you don't need to sit on the laptop. You can do this from your mobile phone. I will show you how ChatGPT can help you in this, and you can make the videos in no time. For names meaning videos, ChatGPT will not only help you in finding names meanings, but it will also help you to write the video description for you. It will help you writing good title for your video and good tags which you can use for a good SEO score. You can make videos on single names, or you can make a full list of different names and upload on YouTube. I show you some examples of these videos where you can see yourself how good this content is doing. This video title here, Awesome and Unique Boy Names, has 1.1 million views within a year. And another one here, 50 most popular baby boys names, has 1.4 million views. I'll show you another example. Top 30 famous and unique Islamic baby boys names has 1.7 million views. There are different types of name meaning videos, such as history and origin, name variations, and popular names by the origin and culture. You can choose any type which interests you. It's a great faceless YouTube channel idea where you can earn money from different resources. You can earn money on your YouTube names meaning videos through YouTube monetization. Another way to earn money through names meaning videos is affiliate marketing. Most of the times, people who watch these videos are new parents or those who are just about to have babies. You can get affiliate marketing links from different affiliate programs and promote the products on your channel through your videos. Let me show you the whole process, how ChatGPT can help you in finding the names meanings, and also let me give you some tips to work on this. Open ChatGPT and type any name you want to make a video on. I'm typing my name, Sara, meaning of name Sara, and you can see how quickly ChatGPT is showing the response. If you want to make videos on history and origin, I show you how quickly it's giving you the response. My top tip here is not only just copy and paste this text, but regenerate response from ChatGPT. Get more information on name meaning, then edit it yourself and add in your video. Let me show you how ChatGPT can help you in a good video description. Type video description for the video you're working on. You have to type the title of the video, and ChatGPT will create the description of the video in seconds. What you have to do is you can regenerate response and check plagiarism, then edit it yourself and add in your video description. Let's see how ChatGPT can help you finding the best tags for your video. Same with video tags. You can type best tags for the YouTube video and then title of your video, and same way like description, ChatGPT will generate response in seconds. My top tip to use ChatGPT for your YouTube videos is to check plagiarism. You can do this through Grammarly plagiarism checker or Google Docs. And there are different resources you can try and check the plagiarism. Once you get the text you need for your video, don't forget to add your personality and style to make your videos unique. You can add graphics and visuals to make your videos more engaging. I will suggest to use Faceless. They have loads of photos and videos which you can use for free. There are many free video editing apps. I normally use YouCut. It's free and it's easy. You have to click on new project and then material. You can find different videos for your background of your name meanings video. Choose any
of these, and you can also add a voiceover.
Being a YouTube creator comes with its own challenges and opportunities. You need to be motivated and consistent. Hope this video helps you in starting your career on YouTube as a faceless YouTuber. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.